Are you ready for Thanksgiving? Who are you going to see? Uncle Jason, Aunt Heather, Chloe, Aunt Tiffany, Ben, Uncle Richard, Tim, Grandma, Papa, Uncle Ronnie. Why don't you want to see Ronnie? Ronnie can't come? Ronnie's going to be there because he's your uncle. And your Aunt Amanda will be there? And your cousin Madeline? Who do you want to see the most? Who do you want to see the most? You don't know?